taking a spit over.
Get in it.
1 second.
Hi, Snapchat. I'm like, we need that.
Who shot you?
I got this because I'm about to open it. My mom said I can't open it, so I'm going to wait now.
Okay, so.
Get it.
He said, let's get it. Okay, she has this Anna&Elsa kit that she's going to be opening today. It's an accessory set.
Yeah, but it's not dark, y'all.
It is frozen.
Frozen.
It is frozen.
Frozen.
She has up to
5.
She has 5 items. Rude. Okay, she has 5 items in here, and she's gonna start opening her package.
Yep.
More Takis from the Taki Challenge.
No.
We have lots of them left. By the way, this is Nevaeh, and I am Janaya. Yes.
Mr. Bye.
Oh my God! You just tore it open. Do you know this is all you had to do?
Okay, I can do it.
No, you can't. You obviously still tearing the box. Look what this monster did.
Haha.
There's no going back from that, Nevaeh. Okay, so this is what it all looks like. 2 hair clips, 2 rings, and a necklace. And a bracelet.
Okay, that's...
Come right here. Show me you open it, dang.
Okay.
Girl, you know what to do. Stop. Now slide it out. Slide these out. Slide it off. No, just push it off. No, from up here. Just slide it off. This girl funny. Show them what it looks like. This is Elsa.
And this is
Hold
Anna.
on. Yeah, show them. This one is Elsa.
This one Anna.
And she also has Anna hair clip. Thought you were gonna do that unboxing. And she has the Elsa ring. I don't know if you guys see that Elsa ring. And she also has an Anna ring. And she has one bracelet. Say bracelet.
Bracelet. Bracelet. I didn't have bracelet.
You wanna show them your bracelet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bracelet. Oh, real.
You gotta hold it when you show it to them. You gotta hold it. Show them the pretty jewels.
Yeah. They're my Elsa and my Anna naked.
Say bracelet. Put it like this.
My bracelet, Anna.
Girl, put
Elsa
your hand down.
bracelet.
Anna&Elsa bracelet. Say this costs $20,000.
This costs $2,000.
Say in fake money.
In fake money.
Okay, here it is. It's so pretty. And we're gonna put all this on her. Yeah, on her. Okay, come sit down so we can. Oh my gosh, my hands are greasy when I touch each other. Come on, sit down so that we can put it on you. Okay, sit down. What are you? Okay, we're gonna put her bracelet on, her $20,000 bracelet on.
Ooh.
And if any of y'all try to attack us on the comments, just know I am coming for your head. We're just kidding about the whole $20,000. But if you wanna be don't put it on your finger. Okay, here goes the bracelet. So pretty.
I don't want it like that.
And no, shut up. And
I don't want it like that.
It's supposed to, so it could be cute. And then we got one wrapped around her thumb because it's like kind of too big. It's so cute. Okay, then take it off. Gosh, what you crying for? Gotta do one. I'm just playing. My mom's gonna come in. Okay, she has on her bracelet.
Excited.
Okay. And we're gonna put on her ring. And then we're gonna put on her other ring. And we're gonna show you guys the rings. They're so pretty. Show them their faces. This one is Anna and this one is Elsa. Don't know if you can see. Show them. Okay. So far she has on 3 of her items. And now we're gonna do the hair.
Hey guys. Yeah, I do the hair.
Bring your face up here. Okay, so we're gonna take off this. You wanna take off this though?
Yep.
Okay. And then we're gonna put on her hair clip. Okay. Oh, look at that! So cute. This is cute little hair clip. And now she has on both of her hair clips. And we're gonna show you boys. Okay, here goes her merchandise. Oh my god! Okay, and there goes the hair clip.
I'll go with them in the morning.
Well,